stretching your butt out.
Ayun.
Twerk your leg.
Si Lola sa wheelchair, tumahimik na.
There we go. Yeah, just watch it for your back. So,
Okay.
you got this, man.
Alright.
You know what? Ayun.
Iba yun.
Oh my gosh!
Sumbong
Oh
na.
my gosh!
Okay, you first. Twerk it like Marley. Ladies and gentlemen, what is your name again?
Romel and Dogan Jr.
Romel
Jr.
Twerk it like Marley. Hit it! Go!
Not yet. No, you gotta put it in the
Boris!
Sige, dance up mo yan, pare. Here we go.
Hey girl, this your song. Let's see that, but don't, let's see it. Oh! Go do it, go.
I just wanna play. What's that sound?
What's that thing that's got me like wow?
I'm tryna beat it up 12 rounds. My girl, look at that.
Keep doing it!
I say,
Go, go, go!
back it up, drop it down low.
Here we go!
Bring it big it up.
Konti na lang.
Low.
Here we go!
I'ma stack
Better get
it
ready.
up.
Here we go, here we go. Give it to us, baby. Let's do it.
Here we go.
Let's go.
Start twerking like Molly.
Wala ka pa!
Twerking like Molly.
Snap ka naman po!
Let's go. Donna Cruz. Oh, wait, hold on. She's excited.
Chorus na.
Hold on.
Ito na. Take the moment.
Dance with Enrique!
Let's go.
I'm tryna beat it up 12 rounds. Girl, look at that body, I just
Little
gotta
forward.
say. You back.
Let's just rock it.
Drop it down low. Big it up, girl. I'm ready to blow.
Hoy! Umayos ka! Ha? Umayos ka! Sayawan lang!
Here we go.
Umayos ka! Ha? Ha?
Donna
Ayan na!
Cruz.
Twerk!
Twerking like Molly.
Hey. Go.
Lumilipad po.
Oh, hey. Okay.
Quiet! Up! Quiet!
At siya na
Now.
po nagtatapos ang ating game.
Hindi pa, may isa pa.
May isa pa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the final...
You want to dance with
Hindi pa rin yun.
Veteran eh.
Malapit na. Okay lang ba?
Okay.
na isa.
me? Yes, of
Twerk
course!
it like Miley. Ready? Like that, ha? Toing. Okay.
Are you insured po? Are you insured?
Okay. All you gotta do is bend.
Then, and then?
Okay, like that. Toing. I wanna do my hula span. Okay, go.
What?
My hula span. Sige na, marami pang alam eh. Sige na, sumayo kami na.
3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, go!
Hey.
Twerk!
Sabi ni tatay. Ginawa niya ganito po sana.
Bagay kay tatay kasi sa'yo.
Iba, sabi ni tatay.
Tsaka alam mo, habang nagsasayaw to,
Oh.
mas malakas pa yung tunog ng buti. Krok-tok.
Okay. Alright. Wala pa muna na ng mga players on the
Thank you,
stage.
man.
If you're going to win this contest, your prize is a free photo shoot with the...
With stars, with this kid.
Photo shoot or photo?
Photo op lang.
No, we have a prize. We're gonna give you guys something. We have a prize. We're gonna
You have
give
a prize?
Yeah, we're gonna give them something.
Ah, wow.
Okay, sino pinakamaraming mutot?
Wait. Dito.
Sasalita kami, naghahanap buhay kami. Bigla ka magpapasingaw. Dahil,
Amoy veteran. Ibang klase.
grabe naman to, Tay. Anong kinulam mo? Minuto?
Dasig pa yung ulam niya.
Grabe.
Okay, okay. Palakpakan system tayo mga pamilya. We need your help.
Balik kayo. Contestant number 1!
Marami supporters.
Ulit. Number 1! 33.
33. Nabilang mo yun. Ang bilis ha.
Contestant number 2,
Wow!
170.
100?
70.
70?
Oh, umaasa ka pa. Huwag ka na umasa. Contestant number 2,
Taas.
117.
117. Eh, how about contestant number
Wait.
3?
Wait.